Bentley again. Guess what? It's burping. I don't know. But like the video before, this is burping basketball. If I miss a shot, I have to burp 3 times. If I make a shot, I only have to burp once. So let's continue. And this is also a treat for you guys because you get to see me being humiliated playing basketball. Okay, I did 1 burp. Just through. So, I'm done. Two. 3. 9. Girl, you got suck my dick, bitch. Now to make it a little higher. Okay, here we go. There. Okay, so. Sorry it took so long doing that. I owe you 1 extra burp. Okay. Close it. Drink this, bitches. Ah, okay. 3 burps. Oh no. Sorry guys. Basketball hit the ladder. Okay. Back to the. That's 3 burps. There. Got it. Okay. At least 3 burps again. Making a video. My mom came out and gave me the most weirdest look. I can't even do it. Still 3 burps. No. Oh yeah. Center. Right in the face. There. There's the 1 burp. And here I go. There we go. Ah. Hold on, I'll give you 3 burps. This one. Whatever. I could dunk when it was lower. That's right now. Oh. Okay, yeah. 3 burps for you guys. Anyway, you saw me dunk, so. Just 3 burps. Burps if I make it. Okay. Now I have to do 3 burps. I am kind of enjoying this. Suck my dick. Yeah, one burp. Done. There's your one burp. Oh, damn it. Hello. Swish, one burp. Two burps for you. Oh. My turn again. Done. Damn it. Three burps for you. You guys are winning. Who cares? This is bullshit. Okay, guys. Peace out.